Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the trending Halloween photo effect called Split Soul. It's dark, emotional, and totally surreal, perfect for your Halloween feed. And the best part, you can do this for free using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it to your browser or through the app like this. And then just log in with your Google account. And once you're in, just tap on create image to activate the nano banana, and then you can also activate it by tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This Google News image editor will let you transform photo instantly just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Make sure your face is clearly visible. It works best with a portrait shot. You can use a selfie or maybe a professional photo. It's totally up to you. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next, now here's the magic part. Let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can just copy my prompt, just screenshot it and then just copy it. And then just feel free to tweak this prompt to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste it. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, there it is, your very own split soul Halloween portrait. Just look at the details, the interface, the lighting, and the emotions. It's haunting but beautiful. And okay, so that's how you can easily make this split soul Halloween photo effect using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.